Hello, and welcome to KidzStudio AI. In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you how KidzStudio AI works. First, log in to the application. On the left-hand side, you'll find all the features. Click on the first feature called Kids Coloring Book. Now click on Create Coloring Book. Here, you can choose the coloring book name, select the coloring book type, choose the number of images. Next, add your coloring book prompt and click Submit. Now you can see the coloring book has been generated. Now let's move to the next feature, Kids Puzzle Book. Click on Create Puzzle Book. Add puzzle name, puzzle type, number of images, your prompt. Click Submit, and your puzzle book is generated. Next feature is Kids Video Book. Click on it. Here you have two options: generate kids video book using AI and add your own video book, where you can add your own script. Let's go with option 1, generate kids video book. Enter a story topic keyword. For this example, I'll use village. Now choose your voice. Next, search for images related to the story. I'll search for village and select any 5 images. Now click on Create Video, and your video is generated.
In the heart of the verdant valley lay the serene village of Eldenwood. This enchanting place, nestled between rolling hills and lush forests, was known for its timeless beauty and the laughter of its close-knit community. The village was a tapestry of cobblestone paths, quaint cottages with thatched roofs, and gardens bursting with wildflowers in every conceivable color. The heart and soul of Eldenwood was its villagers. Every morning, as the first light touched the peaks, the village would awaken to a symphony of life.
Now let's move to Kids Audiobook. Click on Generate Kids Audiobook. Enter the audio script, choose the country and language, select the voice, upload an image, and click Submit. Now you can see the audiobook is generated.
The Moonlight Library Adventure. In a quiet little town, at the very end of Maple Street, stood an old library with tall silver windows and a shiny golden clock above the door. During the day, children came to read books and whisper happy stories to one another. But at night, when the clock struck 12, something magical happened. The books woke up. Their pages fluttered like bird wings, their covers stretched wide, and they whispered to each other in soft papery voices.
This is the last feature of KidzStudio AI, Kids eBook. Click on Create Kids eBook, add your story topic, and click Submit. Now you can see the ebook is generated. You also get full video training series, exclusive bonuses, and 24/7 dedicated support. And that's your quick walkthrough of KidzStudio AI. Now go ahead, log in, explore the features, and start creating amazing content for kids.